Hello children, today we are going to practice learning our sounds.
Remember, my turn and then your turn, okay? S, z, sh, unk, b, k, d, g, j, p, q, w, x, y, ch, a, e, I, o, a, e, I, O, U, R, or, ow, boy. Our new sound for today is ch. Can you repeat after me? My turn and then your turn. Ch. Ch. Good job. Ch. Well done. Let's look at our picture side. So we've got a caterpillar and a horse. The horse sneezes when the caterpillar's hairs get up his nose. Ch, ch, choo. Can you do that? Ch, ch, choo. Good job. Ch, ch, choo. Fantastic. Let's look at words with the ch sound. Ch, ch, chip. Well done. Ch, ch, chocolate. Fantastic. Ch, ch, children. Good job. Ch, ch, chair. Well done. We are now going to write the sound ch. Are you ready? Curl around the caterpillar, down the head to the hooves and over his back. We have a picture of a chair. We are now going to write the word chair, but before we write this word down, we need to sound it out. Are you ready? Ch, air. How many sounds are there? Have a little think. Brilliant. There are two sounds. Our first sound was ch. Let's write it down. Curl around the caterpillar, down the head to the hooves and over his back. Our next sound was air. Can you look for air on the sound chart? Fantastic. So around the apple, down the leaf, down his body and a dot for his head, down his back and curl over his arm. I would now like you to think of some words with the ch sound. Could you please have a go at writing these words down? We can't wait to see your work on Evidence Me. Thank you. Bye.